Hi food lovers, let me show you how to make this yummy veggie sauce. Please follow us on YouTube, TikTok and Instagram at Cookmealsnow. These are what I'm using for my sauce. You just prep your ingredients. All ingredients will be listed in the caption. You fry your onion, let that shimmer. Add your chopped carrots and your diced tomatoes. Give that a good mix. Add your pepper mix. Your pepper mix has ginger and garlic in it. Add your spices. Mix to combine and cover to cook. We'll add our chopped vegetable leaves, scent leaves, and bell pepper. Using green bell pepper, mix to combine. Food lovers, this is what we have. Our yummy veggie sauce is ready. I had mine with boiled yam. You can have it with any sides of choice. This meal tasted so nice. You should try it.